All right, welcome back everyone. So in this section, we're taking a big leap forward. We're going to introduce React State. So state is really important to making any sort of interactive React application or any application where you want something to change. Right now, all of our apps, if you could even call them apps, are static. Right? We have a bunch of properties, pieces of data that we hand down from one component to another, but they're never changing. There's nothing dynamic about this. I have a little hover from CSS, but I can't click and do anything. I can't delete, I can't update. I'm not loading data anywhere. I can't, drag and drop and reorder things. If I had a game right now, we really wouldn't have a game. Like, this is as close as we can get, random numbers. There's zero interactivity or changing information. So that's all going to start to change in this section as we learn about the basics of managing React State. So first, a couple quick goals in this section. We're not really covering all that there is to talk about with state. You might have noticed it's React State 1. After this, we're going to do a little exercise project thing. And then after that, we're going to talk about React State patterns. So sort of a second part to React State. But in this section, we just want to understand what the concept of state even is in general, outside of React, just in web apps. Then also, we'll learn how to model state in React, the basics, how to initialize state, how to set it, and then we'll also touch a little bit about using events to trigger state changes. Really just clicks. We'll have a whole section on other events and how events work in React, but we're going to preview it because we need to have something that changes. This whole point of interactivity, of having our data change, we need a way to trigger that. So we're going to talk about events a little bit at the end. So that's where we're going. But first, the very next video will be super quick. I'm going to introduce the React Developer Tools, a nice extension in your browser that will help make things a lot easier as we move on. Okay, let's get going.